Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training, and I want to thank everybody, all the new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps you make videos like this. So we're going to work on a coordination review assignment today, and I've got this sample file from a book I bought from Elise Moss called Revit Architecture for Electrical Workers, 2023 version. They should have several versions out, but it's a pretty good file. I mean a book. So we're going to go here. We're going to look at this file here, and we're going to look at coordinating and coordination review. So I want to go to my Insert tab here, and want to go to Manage Links. Now here, I want to hit the Add button here, and there's a file here called Struct. These files are included with the book, and I'm going to open here. And it's going to be an internal origin to origin, and then I'll click OK. So as you can see, we have a new file linked in. This is a structural model. So from this point, we want to go and make sure we're in this section view. So now I want to activate the Collaborate ribbon here. And I want to select here Copy Monitor. And I want to select the link. And then here, once I do that, let me see, make sure we got a copy monitor, select link. So we need to select the link here. I think we got it there. Next thing we need to do is select the monitor tool here. Select this guy. Okay, so we select this one. Okay, and then that was already done, so I'll select this one here. You see these little lightning bolts? These are monitor tools, basically showing that you selected, and then I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna select the roof level. So you'll know when you see the monitor tool here. And then here, from there, I'm gonna hit finish. Okay, now at this point, we want to go back to our Insert tab. We go to Manage Links again. Now here, let's get a little tricky here. We want to go and we want to select this file, the file that we have in here already. And I'm going to hit Reload From. So when you go to reload from, there's a file here that is basically, where is it? It's a revised file. I think she's got it. Yeah, there it is. Hit select that revised file. Hit open. And right here, you'll see this message. It'll say instant link. Instead of link needs coordination review. And we'll click OK. And we hit OK right here. Now we want to select Coordination Review on the Collaborate tab. We want to select the link. And here we'll get this dialog box here. And we want to expand this here, basically. And this gives us information of what actually happened in the review. So basically, it says here move by 6 inches. That was the roof, and then move by 6 inches. That was the level 2. So this is how you do a coordination review, and then here we can even make comments here. So if I select this, and drop the drop down. We can accept this difference. We can move the roof level. Okay, and same here. We can accept this. We can move the roof level. And then here, we can select add comments. So you're able to add comments here. So for instance, I might say, roof, let's say roof level moved, email to Robert. Say okay. And then here again, we can postpone this, or we can create the action. So basically, I might say it just depends on what you want to say in these reports. And then you can also create a report. So here, for instance, I'll select this, and I'll create a report. And this report can be emailed to some of your clients or whatever. I'm gonna cancel that. But that's basically how you do a coordination review in Revit. Very useful tool. So here I might say here I might go reject maybe, or I might want to postpone this, or just basically here what these are the actions that you're going to create here, and these are your different statuses categories. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I just wanted to show you this quick video of how coordination review works in Revit. So we can apply this here. And then you'll see here, okay, in the visual, the action. So hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, everybody. I hope, I'm gonna just cancel this out. Hope you get this one. If anybody got any questions, please let me know, or add link or add a comment in the comment section. Again, I want to thank Elisa Moss for the sample file to help me do this. So again, we're doing, we linked the file, and we did a coordination review in Revit 2023. Thanks again, and bye. I'll see you next video.